everyone! Welcome to Review Infinite, the best product review channel on YouTube today. Today we're here again with another list of 5 best products on the market. These reviews are based on thousands of customer reviews and positive ratings. So, let's make a list of best products in this video.
Top 5 Best Mechanical Keyboard Reviews. Number 5. Corsair K95 RGB Platinum. Lightweight and rugged durability, independent of external software, built to withstand a lifetime of gaming. Dual-sided with soft touch finish. The 6 programmable G keys for in-game macros. Unleash blistering speed with the 1.2mm actuation. Number 4. Redragon K552. Custom mechanical switches. Ultimate gaming performance. Double shot injection molded keycaps. Red LED adjustable lighting. Metal and ABS construction. Custom mechanical switches design. Number 3. Corsair K68. The ultimate competitive advantage. Accidents so your game never stops. Every key press registers correctly. Dynamic lighting effects. Context menu key presses. Software CD not included with the product. Number 2. Razer Ornata Chroma. Soft cushioned membrane rubber dome. A crisp tactile mechanical click. 16.8 million customizable color options. Ten-key rollover, anti-ghosting. Membrane gaming keyboard. Perfectly execute up to 10 commands at the same time. Number 1. SteelSeries Apex M750. Real-time discording and lighting notifications. Durable 5000 series aluminum alloy. Easy and intuitive perky RGB lighting customization. Sleek aerospace aluminum core. Profiles for advanced gameplay. Featuring ultra-fast QX2 mechanical switches.